Ama akwaba wafreme ajwa searching mesro now wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell no so for more news.
Yo.
Ajan when we catch up on cover. Yo, and you say a divine selection. Now mention James General Secretary and Hajia Safia Mohammed. Yo, the American say if I'm upon a airport, they would have go for Kano for your town. But when we say the end is for you, and tell you into one patch. When we say a parliament, or my Baba patch, say, Romeo, and tell you, and because as man, you know, here, and they will be the bar. Now, Moshu Aka.
Madam say, my next one, here to us, Mewajo. That's how it is.
Live from Cantamanto, Accra, Ghana. Mebacho, to Kasako, you know. A book of Panasam plan, but I don't want to go to someone. Hey, boy, Mark Bacho, about Tampa Kumsin, or Corona Blanda, or MPP, was fat man, how goes the ultimate target. And Mr. Dr. Tawaja for Zoom Live open the Panyamin Club of paper or Dominica. I have a jelly. Me Papa Mahama, already present, and send the block higher young market. You can register young market for paper or going to 2 coins and what to pay to obey presently 1 month in what to pay 8. My marketing now register what to pay 8.
80 in row, Maza 80 in row.
Yo, but I don't know what I want. What the way it's done, I know Chaya the end. What I want, Matthias, the audience. Yo, Anna, okay, Illy. Over here from Bajo,
and I'm also more cousin than bra, only panning ready, but you can't say 11 episodes to them and where you're free. Your budget, the budget in my. The budget in my. The budget in the bar.
Last one, special prosecutor. But then we have Papa ready. I didn't post man share. And I grew in a woody. We are what you but only 1 month. I don't know about what you need to go do on my dad and more. What do you to? I got you about 1 time to oh my God, the Muha. Because we station. And this is station to yeah.
But Andy Sini Bakwa win himself West Philly Station. Why? Mr. Bobako.
Boy, they were a man, but look at me, age 34. Now, Vigilantism over with dead bodies, and Nana, what take a course or crack, and they are over here. Say, a disrespectful conduct. Sa statement, say, I'm passing or cancer statement. Now, I was here, China Kunya, at the saying, say, as a regional minister. I support it vehemently because, and you see, I'm to me, and I'm more day, and you might be diagram. We are not in a banana state. What I say? We are not in a banana state. So be a bit me after the OPB no why it is a country ness a new ra. And the mere fact that NDC winning power and I was a misbehave. What I said, the Kosovo man is a very dangerous precedent and almost certain on sign 3 years. The next election 2028 a Bayer war. The reason being that say the new patriotic party and other political parties no, they will not sit aloof. Omo said the omo sa no musu be train omo men. Eso to face you squarely. It was year emoja ne begu what you say. It's high time I was a government, you know. It me advising in Crawford say munya isa niema no. Ye kwa abato apepepe ye to aba when we near and that is not the end of your life.
But me what problem with vigilantism no.
Yeah.
Previous government had another Danko Kufuado. Sign bill just say omo stop vigilante.
All political parties.
And all political parties no sign here. It's then about to police phone to me use vigilante law now or when to me fancy one yes I money from Mokoko.
Me that's my memory we see me kwa cry maybe me kwa regional headquarters. Na bra me drew on na me kwa ye case ho. Na bira me pie na me sha lawyer for Trazalane down enti me hu IGP. Na ojina kwana no. Ojina no say are you a lawyer? And I'm say yes. No say na car way one fa car man am say no me a Kumasi based lawyer. Enti manfa ka ma me de bus ne buy no say why not e why na offer say omomfa car ene ya yimedi manim na omo mfa me nko omo ne mfa me mra circle na omo de me ba be fro ka na eye me nwanwa
ya ma convoy
me na me catch na eye me nwanwa but unim that day a surprising so dampering I saw the man to be a very nice person but unim they are shocking me about someone no unreflected was our election way well. The behavior of the Ghana Police Service. Some of them conducted themselves very well. But the do baby yeah, see will be so by law box here, will be anywhere yeah, it is a measure appointment no on the OSP Kisia Jabin. Appointment and an eye in a do be no pass away. ASR2 appointment to me. IGP, you know. But the way I saw that man on that particular day, me say he's a very nice person. And now say party bidin akasa enti na mama na wago ne niam sa because they were officials you know enye sa na ko wie wo election na ye no 2024 na say president we and ye set ni anya very careful in fact say me hwe a ba bia me yam hyeme da bia ne say what will happen the next election 2028 na owura mahama on na teso sesi as a president of the republic but one hwe ya obeje legacy bia samre ne moja betimi agu enipa betimi prepra ama ode beji ni din because na akufo adopt the wisity okọ emoja kura gu ye ketewa bi antehwe but onso de be legacy na was abri na was offer political party members nyina na ka kire om say yes ya win ya we obi anye din if it is about a juma why don't you find innovative way of creating jobs for your people because there are several ways of betima creating job e dey ama on crofo because work at 24-hour economy eti kwa be na abafa so aye obi betimi akwahye ho so if you say 24-hour economy indeed political intervention social intervention betimi save obi dia adeti na un create minister enko anase ministry enko na enye ho adwuma because one another na se wa create sa dia na dia obetimi di eti find innovative way the best way obetimi dia create job. It's not about sacking people, it's not about vandalism, victimization. Na obeko regional minister mua we young guy abo di brese abra o kra wo kono o nananom kra de mpanifo nyina di wachi na de call vetting Asante region wo bo otumfo te kokoso abaso ebo na abaso say in fact entoma wafira kra wo chirichiri mu say de related to palace ne nema wo chirichiri mu nyina nese utimi make sa menhie nimutia very dangerous, I'm telling you. In fact, Asante my do baby was here solid. Intimi ma omo for take kokoso edin ensa ma me ye ebinit dem hu me ko social media na me hu TikTok no bi gina ho kasa kira otumfo at times mitimi su bitimi hwese ana masu me say this country has, you see, in fact we any future bia country no I destroy any future bia because what take kokoso sad be who dare you yet is otumfo kura bia wu anase yet is otumfo ye festival bia ana wo ya ade bia wo ye mo hyew what you say you see my kingdom no obi anase ye institution chieftaincy institution no all respecting no ema wu so obuogwom obi betra won ma na odi otumfo atem ese this away na say wo regional minister emu abekasa akire onkwala anase nipa wa ha ye nyina ye hye wase ese obi amfa ni de fatama in fact me de abato na ye koto ye declare winner eni bibia say member of council of state and I want ase ofi say NDC ni MPP election ye kwana he doesn't even understand it. Perhaps I don't know, I stand to be corrected or ye doctor there but ebia who name the functions of what a member of council of state. He needs to be educated with the greatest of respect and with all humility, with much regard. He has to be educated about the role and functions of what of a member of council of state. All this was yes. So unimwa sanema we betimi akoso under watch. What you say? Why is it that say Asante regional their commander and they are sacking no, but regional minister no say then now no so the honoman and Crawford be share. And yet regional coordinating council one be into office because so now coordinates are regional security nyina. It is a security now down no na we boss our down no. It is am na mo anya bibia ama police for ntimi and brief you. And also when you adwuma yento so de wakonwa to. What I say, we are not joking. You see, they are taking this country for granted because what they are doing, a precedent in almost setting, and a time will come, 2021, we are yet good legacy and farmer in Chilima. It's a very dangerous thing.